element H, right? So we knew that it goes this way already, and this is due to Vy, okay? Then if it were to due to Vx, so I'm going to draw this here. Right? So this is again, this is where, so this is my, based on transformation, this is my, okay, I can call this is the location for element H, and this is the location of element K, right? So based on the distribution, you will see these. Okay. So Mira, what do you think? What's your answer? Can you see and tell me what do you see?
So for Y, K is max, and then for X, H is max.
Yeah, why are you so shy? You are right. You have to speak with
No,
confidence.
I'm confused because it's like both of them are shear in the Z direction. So does that mean that shear in the Z direction due to X and shear in the Z direction due to Y are distinct?
No. It's not shear in, the shear is never one alphabet. Okay, so this shear over here, okay, let me see what direction. So this over here, okay, looking at this one, so is shear on the Z plane Y direction, right? Because this surface over here intersect the Z plane, the shear arrow is facing the Y. Okay, so this is shear YZ. So for this case, right, all this we are looking for, the shear is in the same direction. So YZ, which is equal to shear ZY. Right, shear is not just one, okay? You understand? So the plane, okay, the plane is acting on, okay, so if we are talking about plane, the plane that is acting on, wait, the plane, blah. Yeah, the plane that's acting on, okay, based on what I draw, is acting on the XY plane. Okay. So for here, right, so for this case, right, due to Vy, the shear, okay, the shear due to Vy, okay, so for this case, the due to Vy, right, the shear is equal to 0. Due to Vx, the shear is max. On the other on the other side, right, due to Vy, the shear is max. Come on, Eugene, today you are really crabby. So due to Vy, the shear is max. Due to Vx, the shear is equal to, sorry, due to Vx, the shear is equal to 0. Good question, you know. Okay. Okay, Abigail, for element A on the diagram, would it be top element A? Abigail, where is element A that you see? Is this the element A you're talking about? This is H. On the top diagram. Element A. I don't see. Is it a typo when you type for element A? I don't have element A.
It was the one you added, the alpha, on the left at the top left of your screen.
Ah, right. So for the alpha, it's the same. Okay, for alpha. Okay, so now element alpha. So element alpha, right? The Vy will be based on Vy. It will be tau max. Based on Vx, is going to be equal to, the shear is equal to 0. Thank you, Alpha. Thank you so much. Okay, I can't see your name, who you are, but for telling me it's the Alpha. Thank you. Are you happy with the explanation? Okay, are you okay? You know, this topic is...
That was really helpful. Thank you.
Hey?
That was really helpful. Thank you.
Yeah, I'm so happy. Like I can see that when you ask those questions, I can see like not some of you, most of you, you have to understand the topic to ask questions like this. If you don't understand the topic or the subject, you can't answer a question like this. So me getting this sort of questions from you guys, I'm so happy. You know, I'm like yeah, like my daughter taking her first few steps from walking. You know, I'm ever so happy, or my son. Okay. Okay. So any question regarding any topic on my term test 2? As I say, I've not done revision yet. This, in fact, I'm revising with you guys. Okay. Any questions? Other questions? Please don't be shy. Okay. I don't hear anything yet. Is someone trying to talk or someone? So I know some of you are having term test today. Okay, I'm aware of that. Okay. Anyone, any question? Miriam, come on, I'm desperate for one question from you that would throw me off. Come on, Miriam. Anything that you have doubt?
Can you not murder us on the term test too, please?
Okay, those of you that are no, I think y'all will be fine. As I say, it's not term test 1 is like really in depth, and it's not fair because I listened to what you guys have suggested. Don't let the variable change with so many students number alphabet. I get confused. I totally understand that, and I like to apologize for doing that the first time to you guys. And I get rid of it, okay? But some geometry will change, or some stresses or forces will change. I still do that. And from 3 hours down to 2, yeah, I think you guys can do it. But again, the topic tested. So in term test 1, I'll need test you guys 40% of the content, but go into depth. This one, I test you guys about 80% of the content, but very surface. Okay, I won't ask you to do optimization, things like that. And hold on, I did not. Wait, I can't remember now, or did not. I don't think. Sorry, I'm thinking. Okay, what was the question? Let me. I'm going to stop sharing my screen. I'm going to check. Okay. I know you guys say, "Oh, come on, share your screen." Wait.
Yeah, come on, sir, share your screen. Come on.
And no. If I show your screen now, all of you might take your own life. Wait, let me see. Because I have so many versions of the test, it's unbelievable. Hold on. Let me. I'll tell you, this one is easier in not easier, but more doable. In what context? Okay. Now I'm still looking for my questions. Okay, I did not combine shear force and bending moment for you to find the. Sorry, I don't just draw. I'll show you what I mean. Okay. And I stopped doing this, and I think it's good because you guys are so stressed already. So I did not do this. I did not like give you I mean, for 3D it has to be like that, right? For 3D it has to be like that. for the shear force and bending moment diagrams or shear force. So if I want you to calculate the shear force, okay, on this part of the shaft, I will just tell you this is V. Okay, find me the value. Okay, or a thin or a thin wall structure. Okay, okay, this is V. Find what stresses is acting here, acting here, acting here. Okay, and in term test 1, I make you find V. Okay, or I will remember term test 1, I give you all like this, or something like this, and then I'll tell you this is V. Find me the bending moment. Okay, I did not do that. I realized that at that level, okay, it's a bit, if finding the shear force itself is a bit you have your mind has to be clear. Okay, not like studying like 48 hours, don't sleep and take my term test, you're going to sink like Titanic. Remember, hey, listen to me. Okay, this term test, sleep for 8 hours or 10 hours, I don't care. Okay, if you don't sleep, I know I'll come after any one of you. Yeah, okay, sleep is important, it's critical. Okay, your sleep. Any other questions, please?
One last thing, is that cylinder question we did, was that considered thick wall or thin wall for a cylinder?
It can be thin wall, but if it's thin wall, I will tell you. Hello?
For a cylinder, like for the cylinder question we just did, like question 3 from the homework.
Yeah, I will tell you. Is it so? Thick wall analysis is easy, right? Thick wall analysis means the top is still 0. Thin wall analysis is all dependent on Q. Right? So what do I mean by
How does Q flow in a circle then?
how does Q? So is a circle same like a box? Hello?
Is it clockwise or
It'll
counterclockwise?
split up.
No, a
it'll
V
split up.
is both
Oh,
ways.
okay.
Yeah, so oh no, those people that attend this lecture will have advantage. Hello?
That's okay. They didn't come, so it's their loss.
So then, okay, I got no more answer.
Wait,
So
but
for-
Eugene, for that orientation, like how would you derive that equation for Q? Because it isn't as simple as like finding the different sections,
Yeah,
like
so if you
it's kinda
should find
gross.
here, element A, the shear stress is still 0, right? The Q is equal to 0, right? Because it's down here, no area, right? Hello? Hello?
Yeah.
Right? Element B has some area now, yes or no? Right? So you consider left
Sure
and
do.
right. Yeah, there you go.
Mhm.
I need to work harder tonight.
Okay. I also have another question about Q from the tutorial earlier today. Just for comprehension wise, I just was wondering
No, it's okay.
when
Hey, wait. Before I go on,
yeah.
listen. When the question comes out like this, I did not say that this question will come out. Okay, I repeat again. I did not say that this question will come out, or not I'll be in trouble, because some friends will say,
Okay.
you mentioned that this is coming out. Okay, we know, the rest don't know. Okay, so don't get me into hot soup. Okay, I got myself burned a few times before. Okay,
There's
right.
no hot soup here. Yeah. Mhm.
Yeah, hot
This
stew
is all
with chicken sauce.
hypothetical.
Okay.
This is
I said this is
hypothetical
all
soup,
hypothetical.
Gene.
Man, you know what? I'm gonna miss you guys when this course is. I really do, man. I had so much fun. It's unbelievable. I know the fun is only on my side. I'm sorry that you guys are not having fun also. Okay, what was your question?
Oh, I was just wondering, so I'm going to ask if there was a point here type of question. For when the shear force is acting on the x-axis here, I was just wondering what the Q would be for a point where the web is intersecting the flange. Does that
You know
make
what?
sense?
That is a good question again. That's why only people that, or you guys, okay, when I teach this course so many times, I don't get that at all. You know, you guys are just asking questions like the level of knowledge is like mine. Okay, I really like that. Okay. Okay. So let me illiterate your. Wait. I like today, I like fish.